Welcome back. This is Jeffrey's regular YouTube channel for the final time today. We have an Operation Weather right now. If I can get the Weather Channel app to come on. We have a wind advisory in effect for Geneva, Asheville, Summit, Portridge, Trumbull, Stark, and Mahoning counties in Ohio, and for Crawford County, Pennsylvania, until 8 o'clock tomorrow night. Impacts. Well, first we're saying what? Southwest winds 20 to 25 miles per hour and gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Gusty winds could blow around uncertain objects. Tree limbs could blow down a few power outages as a result. Again, this is a wind advisory in effect for Crawford and for Crawford County, Pennsylvania, and a few Ohio counties until 8 o'clock tomorrow night, all happening this Friday, March 24th, 2023, from Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. Before we read the weather update, sorry. Before we read tonight and tomorrow's weather update, remember, if you haven't already, subscribe to Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube, alongside Jeffrey the Trade Expert's YouTube channel. We got over 600 videos on the regular channel page, and we have 34 subscribers on there, and we got over 600 videos to enjoy. All galore at Jeffrey's regular channel page. Check it out. Make sure to, if you haven't already, subscribe to Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. We got over 1,900 videos of trains, regular train videos, trainless videos, and live stream videos to enjoy. Trains galore at Jeffrey the Train Experts. Check it out. Let's take a look at the forecast for tonight. Cloudy with occasional light rain late. Low 38. Winds, east winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of rain 100%. Rainfall around a half an inch. For Saturday, windy with rain early, then remain cloudy with thunder showers in the afternoon. High 59. Winds south-southeast at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of rain 80%. Winds occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. And Saturday night, windy with rain and snow showers early, overcast late, low 32, winds south-southwest at 20 to 30 miles per hour, chance of precipitation 50%, winds occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. And let's do the forecast also for Meadville tonight. And then this is about it for today. Here's their forecast for tonight. Cloudy with occasional rain late. Low 40. East winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of rain 100%. Rainfall near a half an inch. For Saturday, windy with light rain and scattered thunderstorms throughout the day. High 61. Winds east-southeast at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of rain 70%. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. And Saturday night, windy with rain and snow showers early. Cloudy late. Low 32. Winds west-southwest at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 50%. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. Also, we have some other operation weathers I want to tell you right now. We have a wind advisory. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry, I'm having some coughing and some cold going on this week. I'm sorry. We have a wind advisories in effect for Erie counties until late Saturday night into Sunday. It's supposed to get 20, the gust is supposed to be up by 55 miles per hour for some places, but most places supposed to get, and also I heard there too, there's a, that East Central Ohio, Northwest, Southwest, and Western Pennsylvania counties, along with Panhandles of West Virginia. These are in effect until 8 o'clock tonight, along with the Crawford and the Ohio County and the other Ohio counties as well. And the ones from Erie counties in effect until late tomorrow night into Sunday. So, and they're calling for is rain showers and potential for thunderstorms by evening, and then later it's supposed to call for a rain and snow mixed into the evening, and that's it. And then winds are supposed to be occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. Supposed to get gusty winds in addition to the showers and thunderstorms in the forecast, as well as a rain and snow mix we're going to get tonight. So all right, we're getting around for 9 minutes. this is my last videos of the day right now. So this is probably going to be it for today. For not only for Jeffrey the Trade Experts for today, but also this is probably be it for today. For Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. Again, we have a wind advisories in effect for Crawford and Ohio counties until 8 o'clock tomorrow night, along with northwest, southeast Ohio and western Pennsylvania counties, and potential for and spots around West Virginia is getting that as well. And there's also, they're calling for the same advisories in effect for Erie counties until late tomorrow night into Sunday. So it's supposed to call for winds occasionally gust over, supposed to get 20 to 30 miles per hour winds and gust over 40 to 50 miles per hour. And they're supposed to call for showers and thunderstorms in the daylight hours, and then nighttime is supposed to call for rain and snow mix, and then overnight supposed to clear. So there's also supposed to call for rain late tonight as well. So, but we're gonna get off for today, and thanks for watching Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. Don't forget, I have a premiere at, actually I have 2 premieres tonight on the Train Expert channel. That's my regular channel's account. I'm gonna change this to the Train Expert channel after I upload that WM truck I got today. I shouldn't have any premieres tonight on the Train Expert channel. Until Sunday, so it's just the Train Expert channel is all I have for the premieres tonight. I'm going to find the premieres, and then we're going to stop, and then we got to get off and pretty much be it for Jeffrey's regular channels and Jeffrey the Train Experts for today. Are they calling for 20 to 30 miles per hour winds, or are they calling for, yeah, it's supposed to call for 20 to 30 miles per hour winds and gust over 40 miles per hour. Actually 50 miles per hour gust. Any of the thunderstorms might have a potential for severe as well. They didn't say anything about severe thunderstorms, right? No. Might be slight risk. Maybe marble risk. Maybe slight risk for severe weather tomorrow. So we'll get an update about this as we can, right? Yeah. Yeah, we'll get an update as we can if we hear anything about, if there's any severe thunderstorm warnings or watches. Cause of the wind, we'll let you know. If not, we'll be on Monday on the Train Expert channel for more videos and potential for live streams. Yeah, I got a premiere at 9 p.m. tonight. I should say 7 p.m. tonight. It's a shortened version. Sorry. It's a shortened version of the Norfolk Southern local freight train. And I have a premiere at 9:30 tonight. It's a Norfolk Southern train meet in a shortened version as well. So that's all the premieres tonight. So, but we're gonna get off for today. And thanks for watching Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. Make sure one more time, if you haven't already, sort of subscribe to Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube, along with Jeffrey the Trade Expert's YouTube channel. So everybody else, have a good day, have a good night, and we'll be back on Monday for more videos, or unless if we hear any severe thunderstorm updates or anything, I'll let you know. So let's get off, and we'll be back on if we hear any operation weathers for severe thunderstorms or anything. If not, we'll be out on Monday on the Train Expert channel, or any winter weather advisories or stuff going on, we'll let you know.
What you doing, girl?
So,
come on,
but we're going to get off, and we'll get back on if we hear any severe weather updates or any winter weather advisories by tomorrow night. If not, we'll be on Monday on the Train Expert channel for more videos and potential for live streams. Talk to you later.